can be an extremely advantageous natural drink. It is also used as a home remedy because of its multiple healing qualities, as it helps restore the body and prevent diseases. When raisins are rehydrated for 24 hours, you get a very delicious liquid that can be taken at any time of the day. And if you are a person who does not like to eat raisins, with this drink that has a different flavor, you can enjoy it and take advantage of the vitamins and minerals it contains. These are their properties. It helps to suppress impurities of our organism. It helps detoxify the liver. It allows the correct digestion of the food, and you can take it if you have some indigestion, constipation or intoxication by eating some food in bad condition. Due to their properties of bioflavonoids, these are transferred to water and remains a great antioxidant. In this way, chronic diseases and signs of aging are prevented. In addition, it is a revitalizing and invigorating natural, and its consumption is advised to the athletes. Recipe 1. First, wash the raisins to remove all the flours or other additions that usually have dried raisins. 2. Then, pour 750 milliliters of water into the fire and remove before it boils. 3. Now, add a cup of raisins and let stand for 15 minutes. 4. Strain and wash with clean water at room temperature. 5. In a container that is airtight, we put the raisins washed. 6. Separate in a pot, put 1 liter of filtered water on the fire until it boils. 7. Then pour the water into the bowl with grapes. 8. Let stand for 24 hours in the refrigerator. 9. In the morning you can take the water. In case you want to detoxify the body, take this drink on an empty stomach to help cleanse the body. Remember that you can use the water of raisins in fruit trees, antioxidant shakes, and even to add liquid to your fruit salads.